The evenness of your subfloor plays a role for the installation of your floor as well. Naturally, you want a nice and straight floor that doesn't give way. We'll check the subfloor with a long spirit level. We'll choose several measuring points and check whether the spirit level is even in all places, or whether there are irregularities in some areas. According to DIN 18202, there are maximum limits for evenness that must not be exceeded. Slight irregularities below 2 mm can simply be ignored. They wouldn't even be noticed. Larger irregularities should be leveled before you start the installation. There are, for example, special leveling compounds that can be applied. We recommend contacting a specialist. And that's about it. Do you have more questions? On our YouTube channel, you'll find many easy-to-follow tips and tricks. See you soon.